YouTube. Okay, I'm at Aldi's going grocery shopping and just want to kind of see if there is food shortages. Now, clearly there are price increases, and looking at some of these prices, for instance, strawberries $1.59. Now, you may say that's not that bad in price, but I do recall when I bought strawberries, say a couple of weeks ago, if not a week ago, I don't remember it being $1.59. I do recall it was lower than that or cheaper than that, but not too much. But um, I'm just kind of going around and showing y'all what there is. I don't think I bought the strawberries. Yes, I did. I did buy some, but by this being later in the evening, it may be a little bit kind of sketchy, but I gotta go ahead and pick some at the bottom. Try to pick some at the bottom of these cases. So let me show y'all real quick. So I bought me some strawberries, blueberries, chunky salsa, restaurant style tortilla chips, and spinach wrap. Now, let me see. I need to get me some bananas because I'm going to start making my smoothies again. I hope y'all can hear me. I'm going to start making my smoothies again. So, a lot of these bananas look green, but it'll be on the counter for a minute. So, dang it. We got the damn boxes on the floor. They didn't even put the thing up. Just laid it on the floor. I've seen a lot of people walking out with some watermelon, so I'm gonna get one of those. Okay, now I gotta hunt for the bananas and get on the floor and try to reach and get it. I think I'll buy these bananas. They didn't even got no price. Anywho, watermelon, let me see here. $3.59, large seedless. Now y'all know how I feel about seedless, but dang, ever since a month ago when I first found me some seeded watermelon, it was right here at Aldi's too. And I think I went and found me one at Kroger, but these are pretty good size. Now sometimes they do have some seeds in them, so I'm gonna get me one of these watermelons. Look how heavy this is. This is a big one. And I'm trying to eat healthy. You know, I've been on Weight Watchers for like a month, and I did lose some weight, but I wasn't really eating whole foods, meaning wholesome foods, like I should. I want to go to the Cab Farmers Market this week, so I may still go there. Not to say that it's cheaper, but sometimes I like my things to be more fresher. And Cab Farmers Market, there's certain things that I could buy that I won't necessarily. Look at this spinach, $1.19. I know that would have been priced because it used to be like 79 cents. It was not. It was less than $1. I do recall that. I do remember. So, let me see. Spinach. Great for salads or cooking. Fresh nutritionist. Da, da, da. Usually they say it'd be good for smoothies, but I know I have me a bag of kale in the freezer, so I think I'll buy one of these. Even though I was supposed to grow spinach when I started that garden, or not started, but one of the things was doing a garden with spinach. But I think I have some lettuce seeds. I don't know what I got. I don't remember what I got now. But anyway, I'm not going to buy a whole bunch of stuff. So, this Snellville location, well, Centerville Highway, really. Centerville, Aldi's. Um, it's the one I frequently go to because it's the closest one. But there are some better Aldi's locations when I go to. But they pretty much all the same. But I'll shop at Aldi's anytime before I go to Walmart. I'm sorry, I can't shop at Walmart. I know people shop at Walmart, but I do not find Walmart to be cheap. Walmart has never been cheap. That might have been 10 years ago. I used to be able to buy a buttload of groceries. You can buy me some carrots, baby peeled carrots, 85 cents. They also have $1.25, which is a bag of carrots. I think I'll buy these because these are easier for me to, I could juice these, or these probably better. I don't know. Let me see. They got organic, sweet babies, $1.29 for some organic. That's a good price. I think I'll buy me some carrots because those will make a good snack. Yeah, I'm gonna buy these. I'm not gonna buy the whole carrots. I think I could buy whole things like whole carrots and stuff. Mandarin oranges, $3. Limes, $2, but these are in a bag. I don't know. I mean, lemons. I could go to the Cab Farmers Market and get them loose and just pick them by the pound. 16 ounces, $1.99. Limes. Well, no, lemons is $3.29 for that bag. I just showed this. $3.29 for lemons. $1.99 for bags, and they got they ain't got that much in a bag. Look at this. Now, either somebody took some of these limes out, or it fell out, because ain't no way this little bit of limes that has 7 limes is gonna be $1.99. Ain't no way. Well, I'll bypass that for now. Let me see what else they got here that I could get. $4.39 for the chicken flat bread pizza. Aldi do have some pretty good pizzas, I can tell you. But I don't need to get a big one. $3.79 for this big old pizza. And I could buy one because it do taste pretty good. They got cheesy breadsticks, take and bake. $4.39. I guess ain't no different than going to Little Caesars and get some cheesy bread. But you could actually, I don't don't know. I want to try it, but let me see, $4.39, or I could get Southwest style with barbecue sauce. That's the only thing that's making me not want to get it. Barbecue sauce on it. I hope y'all can hear me. I'm trying to see, do I want to get this pizza? Now that I got a freezer, I can at least put it in there. I need to unbox that freezer when I get home. I think I'm gonna leave it in the garage. You know what? Let me bypass the pizza. Eggs, 49 cents. Milk went up, $1.36. They still got 80 cents for the half gallon of chocolate milk, or you get the half gallon. I don't know why they always put the eggs. They never push it up. Get me about you know, sometimes I find Kroger, the 16 dozen, it'll be on sale. Well, I don't even think it's on sale. Sometimes it'll be $1. Let me see. Okay, a gallon of milk. Vanilla soy milk. Nope. I think I still have enough almond milk with less sugar still in the refrigerator. I need to use that so I can make some smoothies. But I need for these bananas to be ripe. They got the organic bananas, 58 cents. Let me see what kind of. I think I'll keep what I got for now. And I do believe that's 58 cents a pound. Okay, let me see what's on the can aisles. 49 cents. Mushroom. The little cans, 49 cents. Slice whole. Okay. Last year, around this time, russet potatoes, sweet potatoes, $2.55. I think I'm gonna go to the Cab Farmers Market and buy my vegetables, like main vegetables. I'll go to the Cab Farmers Market. Okay, let me see. Can't go wrong with baked beans, bush baked beans, $1.98. Seasonal item. At least it's a big can. Look at this. It's a big can. It's $1.48. But if you get Dakota Pride original baked beans, it's $1.19. I'll go with $1.19. think I'll get 3 cans of those. One, two, three. 3 cans of baked beans. Diced tomatoes. That's not bad. Happy Harvest diced tomatoes, 29 cents. Get a few cans of those. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what else do I need to get? I know I have a lot of canned 29 cents for Happy Harvest tomato paste. I'll get about 4 cans of those. So let me tell y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, if you don't stock up and buy your stuff now, it's gonna go up in price if they decide to do a shutdown. And you know what? It's gonna be hell. And will I think there'll be a shutdown? Let me tell you, if China and all these other countries, these variants start spreading, they're gonna be a shutdown. I really believe they would be. If other countries shut down, the United States is gonna have no choice but to shut down. You know, I hate to say it. 48 cents for dark red kidney beans. We got pinto beans, 93 cents. Let's see. I'm gonna get me some kidney beans. Get me a few cans of those. I'll get 3 cans for now. See, what I'm gonna start doing is, I'm gonna start, like when I go to the grocery store, and most of my main grocery store really is Aldi's, because Aldi's really is got a good price. I do shop at Publix when they do have their sale, but Publix, I tend to buy more junk. You know, like potato chips, and they got the sandwiches and things like that. But let me see what else I need. They do got 89 cents pineapple slices. That's a good price. I need some pineapples. Does it make 89 cents? Buy me some of these. I got a lot of canned goods in here, and I left my dang shopping bags. Dang. Oh, they got the peanut butter, $2.59. And I haven't even got to the meats. Buy me some $2.59. This is a good price. This big thing of peanut butter. I think I'll get 2 of these, because let me tell you, items such as peanut butter, things that you that last good on the shelf, protein, that'd be the first thing that's gonna go real quick. I know a lot of people some people may not like peanut butter, but I don't know. I think so many people, particularly kids these days, they got a peanut allergy. I understand people have peanut allergies and stuff, but when I was growing up, I ain't heard nobody, no kid didn't like peanut butter. Ooh, avocado, 59 cents. I'll get 2 of those. Last time I bought some avocados, the thing went hard as a rock. These will make good things when I make a salad. I think I should get me one cucumber just in case if I want to make a salad tonight. $0.59 for one avocado. Roma tomatoes. I got seeds. I know I got Roma tomatoes. Oh, Lord. Mini sweet peppers, $2.75. I love these peppers. Jalapeno peppers, 45 cents. Oh, Lord. Okay, let me show you what I got in the cart. You see that? Let me see. I want to buy. I'll get a couple of Roma tomatoes for now. These things look kind of small. And, well, Roma's paste is supposed to be small, but it's kind of soft. Uh-oh. These are soft. I'm gonna have to eat this real quick. I'll get 3 of these for now. Well, anywho, I don't want to make a long video, so watch out for part 2 because when I download the YouTube video, I don't think it'll let me go beyond this. So watch out for part 2. I'm going to continue shopping at Aldi's. But so far, my assessment of any type of what's the word I'm looking for? People running out of groceries or stuff on the shelf being bought up real quick. It don't seem like it to me, not at this Aldi's. So it's still pretty much well stocked now. Maybe Walmart may have issues and some other places, but Aldi's, no. I don't know, it's because most of their, they don't have major labels, but it's really the same. I don't care what anybody tell me. The same product that comes out of those warehouses or companies is pretty much the same company that makes the same thing. They just have private labels. That's what they call them, private labels. So it ain't too much difference in the product. Now, certain things I won't buy generic, but pretty much when you really look at items and quality. Now, one thing I could say, Aldi's, they do have a better quality when it comes to their labels, and it's the same company, and they do have great pricing. So let me watch out for part 2, and I'll talk to y'all later.